How to download Athene Network on iPhone device. Are you guys facing issues to download Athene Network on mobile device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open App Store on your mobile device. Once you open the App Store, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see the source icon. Tap on it. Now click on source bar and search for Athene Network. Now click on the second option where you can see the icon for Athene Network. After you tap on it, you can see the icon for Get. You are looking to download the Athene Network, right? Just simply tap on Get. After you click on Get, you need to verify your Face ID. As soon as you verify your Face ID, your app will start to download. It might take some time. It will vary according to your Wi-Fi speed. So as you guys can see, Athene Network has been downloaded on our device. Tap on Open. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna download Athene Network on iPhone device. If you guys have any issues regarding Athene app, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. And if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.